Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am actually going to attempt the dollar store makeup challenge. One, because I don't know how to do makeup. Two, I could probably use some practice. And three, I love the dollar store and I'm also cheap as fuck because I have no money. Okay, so I'm going to wipe this face off because this is actually the makeup that I've had on all day. And then we're gonna get started, okay? Oh, God. Oh, it's so gross. I'm pretty sure I just took off like 6 eyelashes. Okay, so this is really, really, really gross. I am breaking out so bad. Oh, what is this planet on my face? This needs work. Let's go. I'm gonna try doing this. Cover up my planet on my face. Put a little in there, a little over there, a little in there, a little over here. Put it on there, put it in there. All right, well, clearly my whole face needs to be covered, so I'm just gonna blab this on. All right, okay, so that's on there. Oh. Oh. Now I'm gonna use some blush. I love the little package brush that they like to include for like tiny people, tiny hands, tiny people. So, is that where blush is supposed to go? I hope so. Okay, so now it's time for my eyes. I always go for these because I like how it gives you instructions, because for people like me who have no idea where to put it and it ends up like up here on my eyebrow, this at least gives me an idea. And not only are they numbered up here, but they are also numbered on the color. I look like a drag queen. Sparkle glitter because I love sparkles, especially on my eyes. So yeah, sparkle. Wow. This feels like I'm painting glitter nail polish on my eyelid. Wow. Oof. Ow. Now, I don't normally use eyelashes because I actually am gifted with like naturally long eyelashes, but let's just make them longer. This glue is pretty thick. Oh, is it on? Oh no. Okay, so like this is awful. The glue that they gave this to me in is like the tiniest drop. These are definitely not on my eyes, and I got like 500 things of glue in my eyes. I feel like I could fly away with these eyelashes.